Hey guys, me Blaine, and I'm back again, and today I have another really cool product that I'd like to share with you. Let you see what you think about it. If it's something you need or you're looking for, then this might be the time to get it. So today what I have is a sunshade for the rear window in a Tesla Model Y. This is it's made by ThinSGO, and if it's something you're interested in, the link's down below. There's an Amazon link for it. You can click on that, you can go check it out. If it's something that you're looking for, then go ahead and get it. But I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bag, and I'm going to show you how to install it and see what we think about it. All right, let's do this. Here it is. It comes in a nice little black bag. Open it up. That is the sunshade right there. And looks like you also have some little clips. I believe it says that it comes with 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way these clips work. They're the same as the roof sunshade that you can get from ThinSGO. I also have that same link down below if you're interested in getting it. So I now have the full set of them for the car, but anyways, this one here is for the rear window, and let's go ahead and get it installed. All right, so you open it up. It says here, it says top fit right there, and you can see through it. You can see how you can see through the sunshade. It's got a metal spring in it, so let's install it. Okay, so to put it in there, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide up the top of it there and push in the bottom. Push the bottom is actually the top of the window. It depends on how you're looking at it, but it does fit in there pretty snug. And to be honest with you, it almost stays in good enough without the clips. But what I'm gonna do is, because the bottom or top up here, it actually goes up in there, I'm gonna just put it probably about 4 of my clips on. Put one right there. Let's take the little clips, put it around there, put it right there. I'm gonna put one on the sides, just like that. Put one over here. Now, they do give you 6 clips. You can put them in, but I don't think you really need them. I'll put one there, and I will put one right there. And all that's gonna do is help keep it in there. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, here it is installed. Fits in there pretty well. I'm not seeing any kind of issues or anything with it. Seems pretty good. Let's take a look at it after closing the trunk. Well, obviously, you're not going to see anything from here, but let's go inside. All right, here is my view from sitting in the driver's seat. And as you can see, it looks like I do see a little bit of light coming from the very bottom. But other than that, I tell you one thing, it sure does make that whole back area a lot darker. So I'm sure it will help reduce some heat. Now, right now, I can't see anything out, but I am backed up towards a fence. So let's just give it a drive. Let's go drive around for a little bit and see what I can see if I can see anything out of it. Okay, so I really can't see anything out of it. Now, it is a very cloudy time right now. It looks like we do have a lot of clouds out. It looks like we got a storm coming in, and people parked in the middle of the road here, and I can't get around them. But you can see out of it a little bit. You can see a few vehicles and trees, but looking out my rear view mirror, I can't see anything. It's almost black. I honestly can't see anything. So it may not be the best thing to have in your car for driving down the road with, but I would say if it's something that you're trying to keep an area cool back there, or you don't want the sun beating on it, or maybe you got your dogs in there, or you got some pets in there, it might be helpful to keep the sunshade on there while you're traveling with them. But otherwise, for normal day-to-day use, I probably wouldn't leave that on. Okay, so I have the sunshade installed. It was very simple to install. It just unfolds and goes right in there, so there's nothing difficult about this. It fits, it feels good, it feels like it's made out of pretty good strong material, that like it's going to last a while. It's about the same material for the roof one that I have up here, so I could see a lot of good for it if you're going to be camping in the car, you know, because it'll obviously help keep, you know, sunlight and different things like that from coming in your car. If you're traveling down the road and you got maybe some pets back there, because if you got a big dog or any kind of dogs back there, that window is going to allow a lot of heat to come in there on them. So put that up just when you have your animals in there, or if you have something delicate back there and you want to keep the sun from being able to beat on it. Even though the rear window is shaded and it's tinted, it's still not 100%. So having this in there will help. This is something that you can fold up, you can keep it in your trunk, you can keep it in your front. It's something that is it comes with a bag, you can put it away. So you don't have to leave it in there. You don't have to leave it up and installed for normal day-to-day driving. But if it's something for a short trip or something like that, yeah, I could see it being really useful for that. Yeah, I'll give it 2 thumbs up on it. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So, hey guys, so if this is something that you're interested, the link is below. It'll take you straight to Amazon. Click it, check it out, get it if you want it. If not, if you're just curious about it, well, that's the reason why I do these reviews, so you can see if it's something you want. But anyways, I really appreciate you watching. If you can help me out, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It really helps with the whole YouTube algorithms and stuff like that. So it helps me out. Also, most important, have fun, be safe, and keep driving. Until next time, guys, I'll check you later. Bye.